today we're going to be looking at variables, which will be our last topic or last category we're going to be focusing on. And then I'm going to start challenge videos and tutorials on how to build games. So we're going to go to variables. I'm going to quickly pull out one green flag is clicked. In my variables, you can make a variable, set variable, change variable, show variable, and hide variable. So we're going to make a variable, okay? And we're going to call it score, okay? And I'm going to do for all sprites. So now we got score, the variable. So I'm going to do set my variable to 0 or score to 0. So now when green flag is clicked, it's going to be 0. Now I'm going to add another character, for example, an apple. And I'm going to do, when this sprite is clicked, I'm going to go to variables, change my my variable by 1, which we're going to do score. So if we tap this apple, the score goes up. But when we click the green flag, the score goes back to 0. So I'm going to click it a few times. It's 9, right? We're going to click this, and boom, it's all gone. So those were the 2 blocks so far. So we got set my variable and change variable. So the next block is show variables. I'm going to show score, and that means it'll show. Now if we make another one called, let's say, apple, and you don't like apple, so you can do hide variable apple. So if we click this, apple is going to disappear. And when you click this, the score goes up. So it's very simple with the variables on how to do this. Now don't worry about these, because these blocks are in all of the categories. If you scroll down, these are all for example, my blocks, operators, and sensing, which we will not be teaching because, well, it's kind of hard to explain. But maybe later I might teach it. But for now, we're gonna keep things simple with the simple ones. And yeah, thank you for watching. The next video will be a tutorial on how to make a really good game. See you soon. Bye.